Hello, welcome back to Mrs. Hewitt's Spelling at Home. I have got a word ending for you today. So I've chosen a letter string that comes at the end of some of our words, and it's also a word in itself which you use quite a lot. And I'm going to tell you the reason that I have chosen this today, because you can't use your phonics for this, but it is basically when a certain letter does sometimes have a different sound. So I'm going to show you this word. Okay, and I'm going to tell you that this says age. Okay, so the reason I've chosen this is because it sounds like a J sound, okay? And you might think it might be written with the letter J at the end. No words in English ever end in a J. So if you're sounding a word out and you're writing it and you get to the end and you go, oh, it's got a J sound at the end, and you write a J, you need to remember, oh, no, it can't be, because no words end in J. Okay, so it's usually the letter G sometimes makes that J sound, like in the start of the word giraffe. This is an ending that is age. Okay, so you need to listen to how that sounds, age, and remember it is spelt like this, A-G-E. Okay, age. So we're going to use our rhyming today, because we can, if we know that this says age, all other words that rhyme with age are going to have this same ending at the end. So I've thought of one. The word that I have thought of is this one. Can you sound that one out for me now? So if we know that this says age, we need to learn that letter string, and then we can change our starting sounds. We've got age, cage. Okay, so we've got cage. So now use your rhyme. You can pause the video and try and think of some other words that have that age ending. Okay, off you go. Okay, so let's share the ones that I thought of, and you may have some other ones, but if you have, that's brilliant. But if you've only got the same ones as me, that's good as well, because it's all about learning that sound of age and remembering that letter string. That's how we spell it. So we've got cage. We've also got this one, age, page. We've got this one, age. If you're very angry, you might be in a rage. Rage. You might see that in some of your books that you read. This one is age, wage. That's to do with if you go to work, how much you get paid is your wage. Okay, so that's to do with getting paid. And this one, we've got a blend at the start, so we've got age, stage. Okay, as I said, you might have managed to think of some other ones as well, and there aren't loads and loads of words that have this ending, but it is really important, that rule of no words end with a J, okay, because that's the main point that you need to kind of get from this. So it's sentence writing time now. I'll show you my sentence, and then you can have a go at writing one or two sentences of your own, trying to include some of the age words that we've learned today. So we will share this one, see if you can read that for me at home now. Okay, so now we'll do our sounding out. The mouse was in a cage on the stage. And now we've read it once, we read it again for fluency. The mouse was in a cage on the stage. So now I think, oh, I understand now. There's a mouse in a cage on the stage. I've done my working out what it says. Now I can get the meaning of the sentence. There was a mouse in a cage on the stage. Okay, that's all for today's session. Good luck with your sentence writing. Don't forget your capital letter at the start and your full stop at the end, and try really hard with those spellings, okay? And I will see you back tomorrow. Well done. Bye.